So how old is their air conditioner? So we're going to find out. We're going to use two tasks, iPhone and ChatGPT, to find out. So the first step is we want to find the air handler. It is outside, typically on the side of the house, or it could be the back of the house. So you want to walk around. Typically it's on the side of the unit. You want to take a picture of that, make sure it's legible, make sure there are no leaves or anything that's no vegetation in the way. So you want to have a clear photo. Take a clear photo and make sure everything is legible in it. So get a paper towel to wipe it down if you need to. So then you take a picture of it and you open ChatGPT on your phone, or you can do this on your computer. Type the words, find the make and manufacturing year of this air conditioner based on the serial number, then upload your photo, and boom, within seconds, ChatGPT will decode the serial number and tell you when your AC was made. Try this out and drop in the comment with your AC's age. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home maintenance hacks. And also make sure you get your AC service once a year to extend the life.